Welcome to this episode of Just Lovely Living. I'm your host, Tanya Jean Bryant.
So here's another quick project that I wanted to do, a planter that I will put in my bathroom. And here are the supplies you will need. I've got my glue gun, some rocks, and all of these items I did get from Dollar Tree, all of them. So you're gonna need some rocks, Succulent from Dollar Tree, and then the floral foam. And this here, this is probably one of the first things that I bought from Dollar Tree when I started my projects. It's a candle holder, and I really love the color because my bathroom has grays and purples, plums, and white. So I said, oh, this would be nice to go into my bathroom. But I am going to turn this into a planter, but it's actually a candle holder. And it has some iridescent color in there as well. So I like that. So basically all I'm going to do is cut a piece of the foam to put in the inside there. Maybe I should use the scissors. Nothing fancy. Put enough in there. You can just stick this in there. That pulls right off. And you can just super glue this right there in the middle. And push it right there. Get some glue in there so it'll stay down. And just push that in there like that. And I'm gonna put some glue on the sides here and just glue down some of the rocks as well. But this is just a simple project. That's it. Pretty simple, but nice to go in a small area. And we'll put it in the bathroom. So thank you for joining.